Hey, good morning. Can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes, how are you today?
I am fantastic. I am recording this call right now, and because I just wanted to capture your smile of your first sale that you received. So,
Yes, very.
how are you
Uh,
feeling on your first sale? Tell me.
yes, I feel very happy. The hard work, what we have done past days,
Mhm.
and get the result, and now it's showing the result. That's why I'm very happy and looking forward to get more sales and to improve our like the campaign or more campaign to get more sales and build a good business for our future.
That's correct. Because see, this sale is not something that you closed. This is something that actually it's like you caught a fish, right, from a pond. Now, if there's one big fish like that, there would be more fishes. So now you know that this thing works, right? Now the next thing would be on making sure how we get profitable, right? If we can
Right.
get a sale of up to $119, right? We can definitely get a sale of up to $1,000 sale as well, right?
Right.
The method would be the same. And
Mhm.
it's not just that you will be limited to only Google Ads. We will
Mhm.
move to Bing. We will move to Facebook. You know,
Facebook, right. Right.
so this is the only difference. People don't wait until this time, and they're not willing to spend their money on this. You
Mhm.
decided, like, it's not that you just got this sale just like that. We first spent about $150. The offer did not work, right?
Work,
but
right.
but because we trusted the process, on our second offer it got the first sale, and definitely will get more sales. So
Inshallah,
the next
inshallah.
thing, inshallah, so the next thing would be to optimize, right, and move forward. Okay.
Yes.
So can you log into your Clickbank, and let's.
Yes, of course.
Yep, you can
Let
start
me
sharing your screen.
share.
So that's your first sale. It's 19 February. So I just wanted to record this part as well so that people know that they are actually, we are, whatever we are talking is real. And just request remote control,
Yes, sure.
and let's refresh this screen once. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So that being said, this is where I would like to stop this recording.
Mm.
So guys, if you're watching this, maybe you're watching this on YouTube, or wherever you're watching this as a testimonial. You can see this is my student. His name is Sharif. He's from Bangladesh, and he's a travel agent. He didn't know anything much about digital marketing, and he found me as a mentor from somewhere. He better knows how he found me. But the thing is that because he trusted the whole process, this first sale came in, and you will be seeing more sales because I would definitely be doing more videos when he gets more sales, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to get into my one-on-one mentorship program, uh, just click the button anywhere below this video, or send me a message on Facebook that you want to get into my mentorship program, and I will get you on board. Secondly, if you're watching this on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to my channel because I will be posting more updates from my students about their sales. Okay. So if you have not yet subscribed, this is the time to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.